Hi Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and we are at a Renn Fair again today. This one is in Kingdom City, Missouri, and we brought Katy, and oh goody, it's another very windy day. Good girl.
Scratch it off.
Paw, please. Paw, please.
Oh, thank you.
That's incredible.
I've got to bevel the corners before I can rasp at it, because if I rasp into a sharp corner, it's not a big old chunk. So bevel it, doesn't rip.
Makes sense. I've got it rubber banded in now, so she can lose it. A little harder to lose.
Always point you in the same direction. Okay?
I know. Give fire! Turn it again. Start all over. Prepare to get fire! Prepare to get fire! Get fire!
So I'm going to buy this. I know it's not traditional Renn Fair, but come on, that's fine. It's October, and I have some places I could wear this. So here's my Renaissance family. Little Katy. Can you tell it's been windy? Windy yesterday and today, and my Yorkie will not leave something in her hair. She's a tomboy, but this is natural sun protection too. I'm wearing my sunglasses, she's wearing her hair. And look, Sherry, Allison, they have puppets here, and I am thinking of you.
Hello.
This is the fairy realm, and they have this cool, I'm not sure if it's supposed to be a dragon or a fawn, just what, but this fun little dragon, I guess. And sitting on that dragon, oops, with her dress blowing up, oh, it is so windy, is a pretty little doll in a dress I made for the Renaissance contest with Tammy Polly. And even on a day like today, windy, we have a couple of beautiful mermaids sitting on a bench, swooshing their beautiful outfit tails. Now, do you ladies actually swim in this? They are real life mermaids.
This is page 4 of an unknown number of pages of a Scots translation of the Gospel of John using a scaled down, inspired by Gutenberg's press that I made myself. I'll set that down there, slide it into the press, and there we go. We've got page 4.
Okay. I'm sorry. I didn't hand it.
Oh. We are worn and torn and tired and windblown. It's time to go home from the fair. Look, I got a bunch of stuff. I'll have to show you that at home. When we left to go to this Renn Fair, we were looking to buy. I was actually looking for a leather cape with hood, or cloak would be better. Did not see one today. However, I did get this. I'm really thrilled to have it. And I got this also. And, well, these, I should say. These were just kind of fun. Look, isn't that a fun little bag? Let me pull this out so you can see it better. Little spider webs, gold spider webs. So that's really cute for Halloween and very befitting of the necklaces I bought. Isn't that cool? These are resin made. The lady makes them, sets the jewels, the whole bit. So I got that one, and she didn't make this one, but how cool is that? It's got a little knob on there so that it lines up properly with a little magnets. Love it. I'm going to put something in there. Haven't decided what. I don't have a dead goldfish. Darren always enjoys talking to the printer. There's a guy there. He is Scottish, and he likes his old-time printing machine that he made. You saw it earlier in the film. He is, how did he say it? Translating the Scottish King James, or I guess would it be King James Bible? And he let me read some of it from John. Basically, it was the Bible with a Scottish accent. But anyway, he's doing that, and we bought this. Well, he gave it to us, and we gave him a donation. That's what they like to say, you know. I went to buy, I'm loving my Dragon's Blood cologne. Loving it. It's an oil, it lasts longer. I bought that there in the spring. I've used quite a bit, and I also bought some Morocco sands since I rode the camel. Just makes it fun. And then I got another one, Hippie Chick. I can't say I'm crazy about the smell, but I love that it's Hippie Chick. Just fun. And then I bought something fun for Darren. One of the vendors had, boy, they had good deals today. She had these plaid PJ bottoms, which I think is fun. They look gigantic.
They are. They're enormous.
But comfortable for the winter to sit around in. And they're very long and they're very nice. And I don't think I could buy this fabric for the $10 that she charged us for these pair of pants that he's going to enjoy this winter. I need some help. This little girl, I guess, is going to become a little girl that goes to the fair once in a while. She might need a face up yet. Not sure what I'm going to do there. Still thinking on it. But she needs a name. Not Guinevere, not Mary, not something cute and clever and Renaissance-y. Robert had a ball. He's still crazy about his sword. He held it all day long, bouncing everywhere in the stroller. Katy couldn't have been any better. Such a good dog, and we had so much fun with Orion. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.